What is up, everyone? It's another Sunday, and we are heading sa Giant, sa Crofton, and other places to do some groceries na wala pa kami. Because last time we did the meets on Thursday, I think, but I didn't shoot the video. So, yeah, we're going today to do grocery shopping and get that crab legs. Nakasale siya sa Giant. Let's go! Andito kami sa Giant para bumili ng crab legs kasi it's on sale kasi we've been coming back like since Friday, Saturday, and now it's Sunday, pero lagi kaming nauubusan. I don't know if meron pa rin today. Ayan, umabot kami sa crab legs today. Nakabili kami and ini-steam lang while waiting for it na matapos i-steam. Ting ting. Tapos na kami sa Giant and we got to buy the crab legs, and then we had chicken backbone and catfish. Yeah, it would be my first time to try the catfish, but we'll see kung masarap. If not, edi suka. Yeah, so we're heading now sa Crofton for Marshall or Home Goods para sa aking coffee paraphernalias. Dahil I don't have my syrups or my coffee. Ayan, we are here na sa Home Goods and Marshalls. They are both of the same company and same location. This is where we buy my coffee paraphernalias, my syrups and other stuffs. Yeah, samahan niyo kami bumili ng aking coffee syrups. Give it something.
Just a nip it.
So, ayan, tapos na kami mamili ng aking coffee paraphernalias. I bought 4 syrups: raspberry, salted caramel, mocha, and vanilla. And then I bought also coffee beans, medium roast na Ethiopian coffee, and we bought solar lights for the tree. Yeah, that's all sale. Sarap ng coffee ko. And ice bowl tray. And we're going naman today sa Mattress Warehouse. We're going to check new bed and then bought it online para delivered home. Thank you.
How can I help you?
Y'all have 7% off on what?
So we have 4 models, but it's in different days.
My back hurts so bad with these box springs.
Now we do have it on adjustable base, but this is optional.
You put it on your own.
Yeah. Or you can get it a little, put your feet up. Okay, so it'll give you a little bit of elevation. This is good for sleep apnea, restless legs, snoring, sinus. Or even if you like to sit up in bed or you like to relax.
So, ayan, we checked the mattress bed and it will cost us like 33,999. So, it's 34,000. It's like 50, 100, 200, around 350,000. Oh, wow, it's a one lot. One house and lot in the Philippines. Only for that bed, but you know, we need it for better sleep. We will see if we're going to get it. We'll check it online and see what's the offer there. Ayan, we are here now sa Mom's because we're going to refill our alkaline water. We only drink alkaline water and we do it here at Mom's. Ang sarap ng chips. And they're looking good. And free ang coffee dito. So ayan, nandito kami sa Mom's and nag-refill kami ng alkaline water. And libre ang coffee dito every time you go by here. Libre ang coffee and I have the Columbia. Ang sarap. We're done here sa Mom's and we are now going naman sa Wise because Wise is the place where we buy our rice. Yeah, because that's the best rice na natikman ko and it's cheap. Unlike the other rice, ang mahal-mahal. Tapos, ilaw pag nisaing. Wise is the only rice na nakita ko madaling lutuin. Wise naman for the rice and maybe mga gulay. Let's go.
No, it's what else, something else goes in there.
We bought na
Something else goes in the other
the orange liquor.
Cointreau?
Yeah, we have the orange liquor.
Did they have a cantaloupe?
There's the cantaloupe.
I thought it was melon.
Cantaloupe here. We are home na and I'm checking this solar lights na palagay dun sa hollow tree. Yan. Kabit na natin. So ayan, I am charging the solar lights for now. Before kabit, sinacharge ko muna, and yeah, we'll let it stay there for like up until mamayang gabi, and then we'll just put it up like maybe 5 or 6 in the afternoon para nakita namin kung gaano siya kaluminous. It's lighting naman. I tried to check it already, and yeah, it's lighting pero it's not showing much pa kasi nga maybe it needs to charge more because it says there it wouldn't work at first. It needs to be charged for like 8 hours. So I will leave it there na nakaganyan siya sa floor, hindi naman siya mawawala dyan. And then like at around, it's 3:43, it will get dark here like around 8:45, 9 o'clock ng gabi, so we still have time. Yeah, so bilad ko muna siya dyan until it gets charged. And then dun si Lola dog papaaraw kasi lagi siyang nasa loob ng bahay kasi you know she's 18 years old and it's more than 100 years old in dog years, kaya yeah. And let me show you my garden. And there's my angel, and there is my turtle, and this is the, do you remember the wisdom boy na nag-drive pa kami papuntang Charlestown, and then my American gnome and my lighthouse nandyan sa aming upu-upuan, and this is where the light would be sa aming hollow tree, and I'll show you a video of it later once I finish installing the lights. Ayan, hi. So naikabit na namin ang bulbs, and that is how it looks. Malabo pa kasi maliwanag pa, and malamang hindi siya na-charge ng proper gawa ng bagong lagay lang, and medyo maliwanag siya kasi meron kaming solar light dyan sa storage. Ayan, so that's how it looks. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video ito, pakiclick ng like button, pakisubscribe mo na rin kung bago ka sa aking channel, at huwag mong kalimutang i-click ang notification bell para updated ka sa lahat ng videos na gagawin ko.